Hello, my name is Mayank Jain, and in this video we'll discuss Cramer's rule using R programming language and solve a simple question using Cramer's rule and implement it in R programming language. So question is here is like uh, write an R code for solving the system of equation to find out x and y for the given values for of a comma b comma c comma p comma q comma r. Assume that these values are non-zero. Let it be the ax plus by equals to c and px plus qy equals to r. Let it be a system of equations of, and we have to solve for x and y. So we can solve it like this. Let x we can derive from this equation, we can derive the value of x from equation 1. It could be like c minus by divided by a. Then in equation 2 we can put the value of x and derive the value of y, like p. You can see on the screen, p bracket में c minus by divided by a plus qy equals to r. Then we have derived the value of y, like p minus pb divided by a is multiplied by y equals to r minus pc. We have replaced q by q minus p by a and r by r minus pc divided by a. Therefore qy equals to r and y equals to r by q. From this value we can evaluate the value of y, and same it can be same we can derive the value of x from the equation 1. So here's the code for the same. Here we have taken input of a b c d p q and r from the user into the double form, and just uh, evaluate the values of p q r, and then substituting again q and r, and evaluated the value of y dividing by q divided by r divided by q, simply as I explained in the question. And same value of x is derived and displayed on the screen. So here's the, we can show the output, source it, and then is this some value I will give, like for a it's like 2.5000, for b 5.2123, c 6.2000, for p 1.2510, and for q 2.6050, and for r 3.1520. So here's the value for x, it and y. It's like minus 32.752 something something something, and y it's like 5.941 in a very large value. So from this we can derive the value of x and y using Cramer's rule and implement it in the R programming language. So we can also have the value, we can also see an ill condition on the value where q is given a value of 2.6050 2.6060 rather than 2.6050. We can look at this value, source it again, and what is the value for 2.5125.200. Okay, sorry, I just messed it out. 5.250 0.200 6.200 to 1.2510. And here's, rather than giving the value of 2.6050, I will give it the value 2.6060. So 2.6060 and the value of r will be the same, 3.1520. Here we can see that the value of y is, and x is so abrupt, like right. This is just because we can see over here in this part of the screen that the value of q evaluated from this is so small, that is 0.003.5. so there will be ill condition, and the value of x and y will be so different from solving manually. So here's the ill condition, and here's the program uh, solve the system of equation using Cramer's rule and implementing it in our programming language. Thank you.